slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these khaki Travis Scott Jordan 6s from Yes Kicks. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, show some love, drop a like, turn on notifications, and follow your boy on Instagram at RV Stuff TV. Link is in the description as per usual. With all that out of the way, shipping on these bad boys was about 2 weeks, give or take. Came double box, bubble wrapped, that good stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money like I do with mine. These are UA products. Educational purposes only is what these videos are here for. So to show you guys what you would get if you were to buy on sites as this. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. Here is the website. So the website's right there. Email is right there. WeChat, and if you use the code RV Stuff, you can save yourself $15 on your first purchase. So keep that in mind. Again, I don't condone buying this stuff, but you know, it's there if you guys do want to spend your money. So let's get the shoes out of the way. Here's the box they come in. I have not done any research really on this shoe, so I'm not too sure what's correct and what isn't. But if you see anything, let me know, DM me on Instagram. So in that way I'm a little more knowledgeable when it comes to this. Just showing you guys kind of like close-ups and so you can see for yourself. So this is the box that you get. It's just kind of khaki beige color. Cactus Shack there, Jumpman at the top. Got the Air, Cactus Shack face. This side just says Air. Got the information, Air Jordan 6, Retro SP, British Khaki, Bright Crimson. These are US 10. These are for a friend of mine, not myself. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for that. Open it up. Got this nice glossy red interior on this box. You do get a little dust bag. You get some paper, just regular khaki paper. No StockX stuff with these, at least. This is pretty dope. I was not anticipating this because this didn't come with the original set of Travis Scott 6s, but it's cool. You get a little Cactus Shack dust bag, back packaging with ribbon, or not ribbon, whatever you want to call it, like lanyard, I guess. I don't know what you call that material. So Jumpman on one side, Cactus Shack on the other. And yeah, this is more like an infrared, I guess. That's what I would compare it to, like maybe the infrared 6s, what those had. Not crimson red or whatever they labeled it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for inside the box. Don't get any other goodies, just what is shown. So put the box aside, take a look at the shoes. So as you can see, you do get 2 extra sets of laces. Again, I don't know how accurate this is to a retail pair, but you get a set of brown ones and red ones, or infrared, basically matching the color palette of the shoe, whether it be the brown or the red. So yeah, finally, here is the shoe itself. Pretty dope. I mean, there's a couple differences from the first Travis Scott 6s that came out. The main ones, from what I can remember at least, comparing to my old ones when I got those, would be, so the first pocket outside, on the outside was there, I believe, on the first 6s. I think it had pockets on both sides maybe, but this one, instead of just having like a regular button pocket, it does have a zipper now. So put stuff in there. Decent amount of space, honestly, it's not bad. Obviously it's tight, like you're limited to what you can fit in your shoe at the end of the day, but you know, beyond that, pretty nice. The other thing would be this little Travis Scott logo right here. That was not on the first pair, that is now on this pair. The main kind of, you know, flaw that I see, that you can definitely see on retail pairs of shoes in general, maybe not this pair, but it's just glue stains, obviously, as we're used to from Nike and basically all shoe manufacturers. Just glue stains here. It's especially noticeable on camera, and because it's against suede. So beyond that, can't really notice anything else. Cactus Shack on the back of this one, and yeah, I mean, beyond that, it's basically just a color difference compared to the first pair that released in collaboration with Travis. I don't know if there's anything special underneath the tongue, if I can even get to it. Yeah, so you got Cactus Jack under the tongue, which is pretty dope. Nice little touch. Cactus Jack on the little lace locks as well, with the Jumpman on the other side. Nike Air on the inside. You got that brown khaki color. That's pretty much it for that. The suede on the shoe is actually really nice. Props to them for that. You can see a color change there. Some of my fingers are orange. It's because I just killed a bag of Doritos, so that's why. But yeah, man, suede seems solid on this shoe, 100%. It's like that nice long hairy suede. It's not anything short. But yeah, overall, seems like a dope shoe. You got, again, this little pocket that I believe was on both sides on the first pair that released. Has a little Travis Scott face, and then you can just, oh, actually, that's pretty dope. I didn't even know that. Has little extra lace locks, I guess one in each shoe, if I can even get it out. So there you go, you got an infrared lace lock. Pretty dope. I was not anticipating that, actually. It's sick. So there's that. Put it back in there. Close that up. And good to go. You got the 3M popping through here as well. All those little holes. Dope stuff. Midsole of the shoe looks good. You got the red on the inside. You can barely even reach their bubble, but it is fairly soft. It's nice. Bottom of the shoe, that was not on the first pair, I don't think either, where it says Travis Scott backwards and it has a little face and Cactus Jack. That's pretty sick. So that's dope. But yeah, that's basically it for the right shoe. Now on to the left, more or less the same thing. Main difference would be the Nike Air on the back instead of the Cactus Jack. Inside says Cactus Jack on this one as well. Moment of truth, let's see if the other egglet, oh, there's like a pretty bad glue stain there or whatever that is. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's coming off. So yeah, there's that little area, problem area. Let's see if I can get it off on video. Got most of it off, but probably have to rub at it for a little bit. Don't want to really mess the suede up, so leave it. Yeah, and there's the other lace lock. So that's dope. Like to see that. Close this up again if I can. There we go. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Besides that, there's no major differences between left or right. Same thing all around. The material on the inside of the shoe, actually, it's like, I don't even know, it's like neoprene, I want to say. Weird. I don't think it's typical for sixes. Honestly, I'm not super into shoes no more. I wear like the same pair of shoes for like a week straight and then switch it up. So yeah, pull tab right here as well, forgot to mention that. There's that with the little infrared touches on this one, Travis Scott. And it's like an upside down or a frown face, actually. Oh, it's this one says Travis Scott. So that's pretty dope, actually. See if I can show you all that. So this one, I'm not gonna be able to, but this one says Travis Scott backwards with the regular happy Cactus Jack face. And then this one, which is the left shoe, has a frowny Cactus Jack face, and then it says Travis Scott properly, which is pretty dope, actually. That's a sick little find there, kind of like a little Easter egg in the shoe. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it in terms of coverage on the shoe. I don't think I forgot anything. Size tag maybe, but it's kind of hard to see. If I can maybe show y'all there, that's like impossible, but you get what I'm trying to say. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more heat. If you're new to the channel, show some love. And with that being said, have a blessed day. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.